Okay, just going to look at one of the things I do love about Godot for making stuff that doesn't have to be super precise, but needs to get done. So I've got this thing called Cloud Open Eyes. This is the script. You can see here, basically it moves at the scroll speed off the left of the screen. Negative 1920 X position is certainly off the screen, and we cue free to get rid of it. So let's look at the actual thing. We've got it there. Cloud Open Eyes. So we're going to add a sprite, and we're going to just drag the eyes open. Boom. And then we are going to add a collision polygon, and we're just going to go here, and it doesn't have to be that precise because that just makes it easier for the player to not hit it. I'm going to keep it well within, and you can see I'm just zipping around, drawing this collision shape. And like I said, it doesn't have to be that precise, because as long as it's within it, you know, if the player hits the actual collision shape, the player dies, and so we're giving the player a little benefit of the doubt. And we're done. Okay, so now we've got this cloud with open eyes. We're going to go to the play game scene. We're going to add a cloud with open eyes. And it all doesn't work. But it does. Scene. Save. There we go. And we'll put it here. And it's already got that script, so it'll scroll. We're going to run this scene to test it. And there it is. And if the Cupid hits it, the Cupid would die. Now, the neat thing that you can do, because you've got this camera 2D here, is you can zoom out to see what's going on. And I'm going to change my default scrolling speed to something a little faster so that we can see this happening. So now when we run the game, we're zoomed out. You can see that as the ground would scroll off the screen, it recycles to the right. The cloud is going off the screen, and when it gets to the end, it cue frees. And so that's that. And so this is a cool way to see a overview of everything that's going on behind the scenes. Flatulent Cupid is a free browser game I'm making with Godot in 30 days. You can find out more about it at flatulentcupid.com. You can catch me on Twitter at Eric81766. And if you want to help support the project, there's a whole bunch of cool t-shirts available from Threadless. Check them out, and I'll catch you in the next video.